you print only the even numbers. And then guys, let's also look at the nested control structures. So you can have a for loop in there, you have an if statement, and then you can just combine everything that we have learned. So what are we trying to print? Print all prime numbers between 2 and 20. So guys, don't copy my code. First go ahead and do it and then come back. So print all the prime numbers between 2 and 20. So let's start with a for loop, because we need prime numbers between 2 and 20. So we'll use the range between 2 and 21. So for let's use num in range 2 and 21. So remember, we want between 2 and 20, so 21 will not be included. Then prime number will be equals to, if the prime number is true, so we have a for loop in. We need to use the range again, because we need 2 and then the number, because the number will iterate from 2 to 21. With that, now we take the number, find its modulus. So obviously, if it's divisible by 2, we should have a prime will be equals to false. Know that. So if the prime is false, we need to break. Remember we said about these conditional statements, or these what we are calling loop control statements: break, continue, and pass. So from that, we need now to check if, we did if it's not a prime number. So now let's go ahead and check if it's a prime number. So remember, if it was an odd number, if it's not a prime number, it will break. But if it's a prime number, let's go, if prime, we need to print it, because we said we want to print all prime numbers. Please remember that, prime numbers. So we need a number, and then we need is a prime. Is a prime what? It's a prime number. Prime number. So guys, I hope this makes sense to you. So we need the number in range between 2 and 20. So we put 21, because we don't want 21 to be included, but we want 20 to be included. So we set a prime number to be equals to true, and then we use a for loop. So 4 in range of 2, and then the number, so that it adds up 20, and then we check if it's divisible by 2. Obviously it's not a prime number, and then break. So we terminate there. So if prime, we need to print it. Let's see if that works, or I'm doing some hallucination. So 2 is a prime number, 3 is a prime number, 5 is a prime number, 7 is a prime number, 9 is a prime number, 11 is a prime number, 13 is a prime number, 15 is a prime number, 17 is a prime number, 19 is a prime number. And there you go, guys. So in this tutorial, we've been able to look at the Python control structures, including conditional statements and loops, and we have provided you with a range of examples that you can use to practice and even be able to create your own examples for you to master these concepts. So see you in the next tutorial, guys. Bye bye.